Hey guys, Rachel here, and today I'm going to show you how I removed my faux locks after having installed it about 3.5 months ago. If you're interested in seeing how I installed it, I have a video on that. I have a video on how I curl it, a video on how I style it. There's 3 videos, so go ahead and check that out. So now in removing it, all I really do is I cut the lock just below where my natural hair ends. So you have to just have an idea of where your natural hair ends and cut below that. Try not to cut your hair. I feel like I may have cut maybe 1 or 2 of mine, but don't make that mistake. Try to find right below it and cut it, and then as soon as you're done with that, you just begin to unravel the lock. I must admit, it's not the easiest thing. It's not the most fun thing to do, because it does take a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, but once you start doing it, you get it done in no time. So go ahead and unravel, and as you can see in this clip, my hair is so dirty, even though I washed it while I had the locks in, but there's still some dirt underneath. And yeah, look at that gunk. So just ensure that once you're done, you wash it properly, right? And you go ahead and you just you cut and unravel for the entire head, and then you wash. There's a little clip of how I was washing my hair, but if you'd like to see a more extensive video of how I wash my hair and the products I use and how I deep condition, you can leave that in the comment section, and I'll be sure to make an informative video of that. And if you'd like to see how I style my hair, you can always do product by product, detail by detail analysis of how I style it as well. So just go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I'll make a video on that. And if you have any other suggestions, any other videos you'd like to see, leave that in the comment section as well. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.